If you're a business owner juggling phone calls, quoting jobs, managing clients, and trying to post something half decent on your socials, let me ask you this. What if I told you there's a smarter way to run your business without burning yourself out? Because right now, there are simple, powerful AI tools and marketing strategies that can save you hours, help you show up better online, and actually grow your business. No jargon, no fluff, just practical things you can start doing today. Let's break it down. Here's the deal. AI isn't just for tech companies anymore. It's now built into everyday tools. And for service businesses, that means we can finally catch a break from all the little things that chew up our time. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert. If you know how to send an email or book a meeting, you can use these tools. So I'm going to show you how to save time with AI tools behind the scenes, how to attract leads using smart content and automation, and how to build trust and a reputation that gets you more referrals and repeat clients. Let's start with the stuff that saves you hours behind the scenes. Automating appointments and scheduling without the back and forth. Time is your most valuable resource, and chasing clients to book meetings is a huge waste of it. That's where scheduling automation comes in. Tools like Calendly aren't technically AI, but they work like a smart assistant. You set your availability and clients can instantly book into your calendar without any back and forth emails. If you want to take this a step further, Calendly integrates with tools like Zapier, ActiveCampaign, or even ChatGPT, so you can automatically send custom reminder emails, pre-meeting forms, or confirmation texts once a booking is made. And with routing forms, you can assign meetings based on answers, so high-value leads go straight to you, while general inquiries go to your team. Whether you're a solo business owner or running a small crew, this one's setup saves you hours. And you only set it up once, and it runs every time automatically. Now that your schedule is running smoother, let's talk visibility. Because if no one knows you exist, they can't buy from you. Do you sometimes find yourself staring at a blank screen, not knowing what to post? AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini can take that pressure off you by writing that first draft. You can even use voice mode in ChatGPT and just talk to it. Literally have a conversation. Tell it what your business does, who you help, and what kind of content you want to share. It'll help you map out ideas, draft posts, and even give you a rough content plan. But look, don't overthink it. You don't need a 30-day calendar and a complicated strategy to start. Just keep one chat window open and treat it like an assistant. You could say, I'm a local service business. Help me write a few Instagram posts that show I'm active and open for business. Then tweak, add your tone, and post once or twice a week. That consistency helps you look legit when someone checks your profile. Because if it looks empty or outdated, they'll assume you're not active or even closed. Showing up online isn't just about getting new clients. It's about building trust with the ones already looking at you. You don't need a full marketing team to look professional online in 2025. Canva AI makes your brand look sharp, even if you've never designed anything before. You can create flyers, social posts, carousels, even short videos in minutes. But here's what most people don't realize. Canva isn't just for pretty pictures anymore. You can now build mini tools like calculators, lead gen forms, or interactive widgets and embed them right into your website. No dev team, no complicated coding, just copy the embed link and paste it into your website. I recently tested this with a trades client, a simple how much will my reno cost calculator, and it instantly created my calculator from a simple text prompt. So if you're already using Canva for designs, start exploring Canva AI. It's no longer just a design app, it's a content creation machine. Okay, once your visuals are sorted, the next level is adding video, but don't overcomplicate it. You don't need a fancy camera or editing software. You just need your phone and a helpful message. Record a 30 to 60 second tip, answer a common client question, or show a before and after of your latest job. That's it. Real, honest, helpful content builds trust faster than anything. And here's the bonus. Video keeps people watching longer. And that matters because later, when you're ready to run paid ads, you can retarget the people who've already watched your videos. That means warmer leads, better results, and lower ad costs. And if you've got a longer video like a walkthrough or a masterclass, drop it into a tool like Opus Clip. It'll automatically use AI to cut it into short, scroll-stopping clips that are ready to post. You already have what you need. Now these tools help you show it faster, better, and more consistently with the help of AI. Now let's talk about the front end, client interactions, because every question you answer manually is one more minute you're not spending on jobs or strategy. Use chatbots to handle FAQs. So people visit your website at 11 p.m. Are you there to answer? Probably not. That's where a chatbot like Botsonic steps in. Train it with your FAQs and let it chat with your visitors 24/7. So they get what they need and you can keep doing what you do best. It's like having someone on your website always ready with an answer. Okay, so you've got leads coming in. Now let's turn that trust into traction. Make reviews a system, not a coin toss. Getting reviews shouldn't be something you hope for. It should be built into how your business runs. But here's the key: timing matters. Best time to ask for a review is when the client's happy or when a specific status changes for that client that solved their problem that they originally reached out for. That's the moment you want to capture. So here's what to do. Use your CRM to track when a job hits that point. Set up an automation with tools like Zapier and kit.com. Trigger a review request email at that exact moment automatically. Then let ChatGPT write the message for you. Keep it friendly, sound like you, and include a direct link to your Google review page. So it takes them 10 seconds, not 10 clicks, to find your review page. And don't stop there. Use AI to help you reply to reviews too. Thank them, reinforce your key services, and sprinkle in a few local keywords so you show up in future searches. Update your Google business profile weekly. If someone Googles your service near me, your Google business profile is one of the first things they'll see. And it's often the difference between getting the call or being forgotten. Most business owners ignore it, but you don't have to. Just spend 15 minutes a week keeping it fresh. Use ChatGPT to write short updates, tips, or seasonal offers. Refresh your business description with the keywords people actually search for in your area. It's free visibility, and with a few AI tools in your corner, it's almost ridiculously easy to stay on top of. Here's what I want you to take from this video. AI isn't replacing you, it's backing you up. These tools aren't here to take over, they're here to get you unstuck. Instead of staring at a blank screen wondering what to post or waiting for a copywriter to come up with something, you can open a tool like ChatGPT, type a few words, and get something on the page in seconds. Because here's the truth. You know your business better than anyone else. Look, now you've got assistants, digital ones that can help you say it better, faster, and more professionally to give you back time. So here's the play. Pick one of the tools we talked about today. Try it this week. Once it's working, add on another. Each one you implement is a small upgrade to how your business runs. And together, they build a system that works even when you're not. If you want help building that system, check the link in the description. We help service businesses like yours grow through smart marketing. If you want to keep learning, check out this video right here. It's packed with more tips to help service-based business owners grow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new one. I'm Cam Heisman, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.